Why do Python developers always write underscore underscore init underscore underscore? Look at this code. Class person. Then inside it, def init. Why do we always write this strange function? Why the double underscores? And what does it actually do? Here's the interesting part. Init is a special function in Python. It runs automatically the moment you create a new object from a class. That means when you write something like person with a name, Python instantly calls init behind the scenes. And this is where we usually set up the object's first values. For example, name, age, email, anything the object should have from the beginning. So init is basically Python's way of saying, hey, a new object was just created, let's prepare it. And once you understand that, classes become much easier to read. Now I want to know, did init confuse you when you first learned Python? Write your answer in the comments.